Hello everyone, welcome back to Web2 app, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to set up parental controls on YouTube. So if you want to set up parental controls on your YouTube, then follow along. First of all, open your laptop and log into your account. Now open any browser. After opening any browser, open YouTube. Now once inside YouTube, click on your profile and search for restricted mode. Click on it. This filters inappropriate content. For stronger control, use Google Family Link. Inside Family Link, click on YouTube. From here, you can manage what they can watch, how long they can watch, and other privacy settings. And that's it. Parental controls are now set on YouTube. Thank you for watching and follow us for more tips and tutorials.